Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share a quick tip video. Yesterday I encountered an issue about Nvidia drivers, which resulted in screen glitch and lost menu when trying to open Nvidia X Server Settings from the dash. So, I decided to make this video, in case you run into the same issue. Anyway, I'm using Ubuntu 18.04 LTS right now. If you have Nvidia cards, you can check my previous video to get latest Nvidia proprietary drivers on Ubuntu and its base distributions like Linux Mint, Elementary OS, Pop OS, Linux Lite, and Zorin. I always use this method and have never experienced Nvidia drama on Linux, like login loop, black screen, low graphic mode, screen resolution issue, or freezing randomly. Okay, let's start by opening the Nvidia X Server Settings. As you can see, it only showing prime profiles with performance mode selected. There should be more menus right here, including X Server information, display configuration, OpenGL Settings, Antialiasing, thermal settings, PowerMizer, application profiles, and so on. And when I run Nvidia System Management Interface program from the terminal window, it displays correctly. This issue also reported by some Ubuntu Focal users. Okay, let me clean the desktop and show you the interesting thing. There you go. The overview section tells a different story. Ubuntu is currently running on Intel UHD 630 instead of my GTX 1050 Ti. I suspect this is happening because of the Intel configuration that used as workaround to fix screen brightness issue on Linux. This configuration file is located on xorg.conf.e folder. Well, here's the config. Now let's take a look what's inside the file using cat to print standard output. So, I'm gonna try to remove to prove my guess. But in this case, I just want to move it to another folder. Next, let's reboot the computer to see if this works. Once we are on the desktop again, let's open the Nvidia X Server Settings. That's it. Finally, my Nvidia graphics card drivers are now loading properly. So, these were all I can share. Hope this tutorial helped you to fix the problem of Nvidia X Server Settings on Ubuntu. As usual, thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, thumb up, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in the next video.